Welcome back to N. Rajni Kiran, my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about the goals or objectives of supply chain management. So in the picture we have presented the goal of SCM is to see that the consumer is going to get the right product to the right customer at right time, right place, right condition, and in the right quantity at the right cost. So let us see the goals of SCM individually. So the main goal of SCM is to reduce the inventory cost, that is the cost that is going to be used in order to purchase the stock. And SCM also focuses on increasing the sales to the organization, and it takes a responsibility to improve the coordination, collaboration, and relationship between the suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors. And it is going to provide the advantage of increasing the productivity of the organization by reducing the operational costs that are involved in the activities of manufacturing the product till the product reaches to the customer. And the main goal of SCM is to develop the value added service that provides a competitive edge to the organization. So let us look to these goals in detail. So when you look at this PPT, you see that the objectives and goals of SCM are presented in the terminology wise. One is service orientation. So SCM main goal is to provide a superior service to the customer. That means the service is nothing but giving value to the customer, or giving the value that the customer gets by focusing on designing, alignment, integration of the company on the supply chain, and the coordination between them all together work together to ultimately provide a superior service to the customer. And that is the reason why we can say the goal of SCM is a service orientation. And second goal is it is a system orientation. As we said, supply chain management involves a multiple organization where these multiple organizations are going to work together in order to produce a cumulative effort in seeing that the manufactured product reaches to the customer. So when you are going to look to these organizations individually, like we can term them as the partners on the chain, individually may necessarily be optimal or sometimes less optimal when compared as a whole. So cooperation and coordination is the main gain of the supply chain, and this statement says that while getting optimal results for the chain as a whole, the partners on the chain may not be necessarily optimal. The partners can be sometimes less optimal when compared as a whole. So when the organizations are going to work together cooperatively and coordinatively, then only they can give a best result to the customer as well as to the organization. And hence we say that the main goal of SCM is system orientation. Coming to the third goal of SCM is competitiveness and efficiency. Competitiveness is essential to provide increased value to its customer. So the supply chain enables the business organizations to get their products to the market faster, more and efficiently and more economically than their competitors. And by doing so, it provides a value to the customer. And efficiency is an important element of this competitiveness, where this efficiency is going to focus on minimizing the wastage in terms of material, in terms of money, and in terms of time. Let us move to the fourth goal of SCM, that is minimizing the time. So, efficiency supply chain in an organization is going to reduce the time required for converting the orders into the cash. And this leads to increase in productivity of the organization. So, SCM main goal is to minimize the time in converting the orders into the cash. And the fifth goal is to minimize the work in progress. The supply chain is going to minimize the total work that is involved in the process of the supply chain. Like multiple organizations are going to work together, and all these activities are interdependent on each other, and the supply chain takes the responsibility to minimize the total work that is in progress. Sixth point is it improves the pipeline visibility. That is, the supply chain is going to improve the visibility of each one of the activity that is going to happen within this supply chain to each and every person who are involved in this supply chain. And the seventh point is improving visibility demand. It improves the visibility demand by each one of the partners. So we can say that the supply chain visibility is the ability to track different goods and products in transit, that is, giving a clear view of the inventory and activity. It enables a shipper to improve customer service and cost controls through management of inventory in motion, proactive status updates, limiting disruptions, and risk mitigations. So this visibility demand is going to give advantage to the organization so that everything is transparent to everyone involved in the supply chain. And the last goal or objective of SCM is improving the quality. So a supply chain management tries to improve the quality of the operations of the organization and of course the product. And this can be done by taking the feedback from the customers. Then we will come to know what all the changes that we have to do and how we can improve the quality and all. So the supply chain management is going to take the responsibility to improve the quality as well as in the operations of the organization as well as in the product quality. Thank you for watching this video.